Looking for the best value? Before you buy any 100W USB-C charger, you need to see this. It's finally here today. In this video, I've picked the best 100W USB-C charger of 2026 based on performance, quality, features, and overall value. To save you hours of research, I've compared the top options, checked real user reviews, and narrowed them down to the very best picks. You'll find the latest prices and links in the description below. Subscribe for honest reviews. Now, let's get started. First up, we're the Pi Plus 100W USB-C charger. This advanced power unit is engineered with cutting-edge GaN3 technology and specialized graphene heat dissipation, making it significantly more efficient and nearly half the size of traditional laptop adapters. It serves as a truly universal power solution, supporting every major fast-charging protocol, including PD 3.0, PPS, and Quick Charge 4.0, for maximum device compatibility. You will find great value in the included 2-meter nylon-braided cable, which features an integrated eMark chip to guarantee the safest energy delivery possible to your high-end hardware. Safety remains the absolute top priority here, with 5 comprehensive layers of protection guarding against overvoltage, short circuits, and extreme temperature spikes. Whether you are powering a rugged workstation or a portable tablet, this lightweight, drop-proof brick ensures your internal batteries stay healthy while providing a blistering boost to over half capacity in just 30 minutes for your daily convenience. Next, we have the Anker 317-100W USB-C charger. Trusted by millions of tech enthusiasts across the globe, this manufacturer's charging expertise is fully realized in this high-performance 100W single-port wall adapter. By utilizing proprietary PowerIQ 3.0 technology, this unit is capable of juicing up a heavy-duty MacBook Pro 16-inch to a full 100% charge in only 80 minutes. The integrated Active Shield safety system provides continuous, real-time temperature monitoring, ensuring that your expensive laptop or smartphone stays protected from dangerous overheating throughout the entire charging cycle. Its sleek, travel-friendly design includes a foldable plug that saves valuable space in your carry-on bag during long commutes or international flights. This comprehensive all-in-one package also includes a high-quality 5-foot USB-C cable and an 18-month warranty, offering the ultimate peace of mind for professionals who need their tech to stay productive all day long without any unexpected power interruptions or hardware failures. At number 3, the Ugreen 100W USB-C charger. This powerhouse allows you to boost a modern MacBook Air M3 to over 50% capacity in just 30 minutes using only one of its high-speed ports. This 4-in-1 Nexode charging station is a versatile beast, featuring 3 dedicated USB-C ports and a legacy USB-A port to manage your entire electronic ecosystem at the same time. It successfully utilizes advanced gallium nitride technology and a smart PWM chip to keep the internal components safe, compact, and cool even when under massive electrical loads. Whether you are charging a portable gaming handheld, the latest flagship iPhone, or a high-end Galaxy device, this intelligent brick perfectly adapts its wattage output for every unique connection. Its convenient foldable plug design makes it an ideal companion for busy business travelers who want to avoid carrying multiple bulky and heavy power adapters in their luggage while working on the move. Our fourth pick is the Ineo 100W USB-C charger. This incredibly compact power trio station was specifically created to declutter your desk by replacing 3 individual charging bricks with a single, high-performance power unit. It delivers a full 100W of total output, allowing you to fast-charge your high-demand notebooks and modern smartphones simultaneously without experiencing any drop in charging efficiency. Supporting the very latest PD 3.0 protocols, it offers seamless universal compatibility across a massive range of tech gadgets from top brands like Apple, Samsung, and Google. The lightweight chassis and space-saving vertical design make it a perfect essential for digital nomads who require reliable and fast power while traveling. It is a smart, affordable, and effective way to keep your workspace organized and professional while enjoying the massive benefits of ultra-fast USB-C charging technology for your daily workflow and heavy multitasking needs without spending a fortune. And for our final pick, the Baseus 100W USB-C charger. This intelligent charging powerhouse does much more than just provide electricity. It communicates through a stunning high-definition color display that monitors real-time temperatures and precise wattage output details for every active port. With 2 high-speed USB-C ports and a versatile USB-A port, you can charge your laptop and your mobile phone at the same time at incredible speeds. The unit is significantly smaller than old-fashioned power bricks thanks to the latest GaN architecture and an AI-driven cooling system that prevents thermal throttling. It represents a stylish choice for university students and creative professionals who value both high-tech aesthetics and top-tier reliability in their everyday electronic gear. The convenient foldable design and ultra-compact form factor ensure that you can easily slide it into your pocket or backpack for any professional commute or long-distance flight during your busy and productive day. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you choose the right product, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews, smart finds, and the latest deals. Have a product you want us to review? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.